respective principals and my teachers and all my dear friends. A very warm good afternoon to all of you. To all of you. My name is Tanishka and I have 7 participants. Me, the
audience and my worthy opponents. As you all know, today we are going to have a debate competition and the motion is zoo should be shut down. Me and my team members are just going to oppose this motion. First of all, it is very necessary to understand what actually a zoo stands for. As per our moderator, Sheetal sir already told everything, but I would like to express this all in my own words. A zoo is a park where animals are kept, they are breeded, feeded and protected from becoming extinct. Zoo is important. And according to scientific data, more than 28 to 48 species are prevented from becoming extinct. There are many zoos in, like, for example, I can give Moscow, which is in Russia, a zoo. Now, 75 species are preserved. That's all by my side. Thank you.
Good food, good health, good environment, all are good. But by accidentally he get died, and who is the responsible for that?
It is very good talk. Abhishek want to say, if we are living in our home and if there is some infection that somebody has to die, then who is the responsible about it?
But by the mistakes of zoo workers, according to my opinion, I say zoo should be banned because there are many reasons to ban the zoo. First, we have no right to take anyone of freedom. Second, in zoos, many animals are depressed, frustrated, and their behavior also changed. And I can think that animals are not feel good in kept in cages, and many animals are not accepted artificial environment in zoos and they are died. And I also see many animals attack to human beings because we think that human being he treated animals very badly. Because of these reasons, animals health also become unbalanced, and many animals that come from natural habitat and shift into unnatural environment, they cannot accept it and they are died. Example of polar bears. Thank you.
A very good conclusion and informative information provided by the Urmila. Now I would like to call Neha. Please come on stage and share your views about the topic. You have to speak at least 3 minutes on this topic.
Main roles of zoos are for research, conservation and reservation and recreation. From zoos we are able to take information about the animals and many more. Breeding animals in captivity help to live longer life for animals, and in zoos animals are preserving, and so this had to not to be extinct the animals.
The next turn, I would like to invite Emmanuel. You can speak from here.
that is bad for animals of the world. They feel stressed and they do not have freedom. And then they get on food, and in the jungle they get so much food and environment so they can be happy there. But in zoo there and alone and depressed like we got freedom from the British, that's like they also need to get freedom. Thank you.
Thank you, Imani. Now it's time to speak something about this topic, and I would like to invite Payal.
Zoos are help in research, education and preservation. If animals are kept in zoo, then we will study about the animals and their disease. If animals are preserved in zoo, their species is extinct and they are prevented from disease. Thank you.
Next time to speak, Subham.
You should be banned are many reasons. Frustration. Animals are removed from their natural habitat. They want to same habitat, and most of our zoo are failed to provide the required minimum of a care. Thank you.
And the last candidate, that is Abhishek.
Splendid good afternoon to all my friends, teachers, respected principal. I would like to say zoos should be there because we know that animals are not getting a proper environment, not their water to service or their lifestyle, but we can put them in zoo. They get proper food, proper environment, proper everything that they should have in their life. And in my opinion, there is good that should be exist. For example, we move toward in cities, we cannot see peacocks on anywhere or everywhere, but in village we can see that peacocks on the old houses. So those are there to save the animals or other species which are existing continuously. Thank you.
And now I am standing before you, mighty warriors, to express my views for the motion computers are better than teachers. So, the computers and technology helps to understand the query more better than the teachers. It saves time and the new generation prefer to use the electronic gadgets to solve their problems. In school, colleges, universities, the teacher acts as a mentor to the students when they face an issue. But after the college hours, they have to wait for the one of you. Firstly, I would like to start from the mantra, that is Guru Mantra. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Now you are thinking why I started from this? Because the topic is like that. Our topic is computers are better than teachers, and we are against the motion. It means we have to say about teachers are better than computers. As we know, teachers have well experienced, but on the other hand, computers, they have also knowledge, but not that much of teachers. As we also know, the Doha also, Kabir Das Doha.
We know that when compare the teachers with the computers, the technology will not teach the ethics, way of life or moral value, but the teachers along with the subject can teach how to live a life with the moral values, ethics, integrity and the responsibility. The computers can't replace the teachers because the teachers itself say how to use the technology in a right way. The best example is calculator. Cannot replace the mathematics. The teachers sometimes have scenes of humor and are more fun than computers. The teachers and teach the students in the best way. They know what the students want. They
Teachers and judges and my dear friends, I am through class 10B. I am studying in private view. In the view of the motion, computers are best than the teachers. Computers do not have so many advantages. The computer teachers can teach more than the human teachers.
students learn from the computer, they can learn more independently. Thank you.
So I was a teacher are better than computer. Computer do not have life experience, but teachers have life experience. A teacher know situation of student and how to teach the student, but computer don't teach. Teach proper manner, which is good for the student. Thank you.
Now I am standing before you, representing my tutors to express my views for the motion computers are better than teachers. Now I want to say something about computers. Computers are important to get the adequate knowledge of students. Moreover, the teachers may be expert in few subjects, but you can get everything with technology and turn into an expert. Thank you.
Teacher is very important in shaping a good human being by training with the moral values, responsibilities, and the way of life.
मैं एक वीडियो ऊपर जाके बना भी लाऊंगा.
They provide you all the necessary information, but still you cannot clear your concern. It just provides your success with information. Teachers can take care of us.
If we see computer can cause back, neck, and shoulder pains, headache, eye stress, and overuse injuries of the arms and hands, we have many problems that very inability to focus and far away. Objects of our eyes have damages. For computer, we have many damages, like the impact of computer is overuse injuries of the hand, obesity, muscles and joint problems, eye stress.
If something
good,
is
good.
wrong with you in class, so the teachers
Abhilash sir.
The computers do not give the life experience, but the life experience can be understand by the surrounding of the people living.
A very good afternoon, respected moderator, judges, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm Kupum of class 10th. Now I'm standing before you representing mighty warriors. My views on today's education system do not allow us to develop intellectual skills. The disadvantages of today's education system here identify some of the pitfalls which formal education in the world, civilization regardless of whether it has been considerably beneficial or not, can cause the children and to the whole world. Modern
Judges, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Bhumika Swami of class 8. Now I am standing before you representing mighty warriors. To express my views for the motion, today's educational system does not allow the students to improve the individual skills. Now I want to say something about the motion. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.
Face problems in their professional as well as personal lives. In such situations, their ability to make rational and informed decisions come from how educated and self-aware they are. Education is a key to success. Right education should help the students not only to develop their capacities but to understand high interest in your interest. Education is a key to success. Thank you all of you.
A very warm good afternoon, students. My name is Aryan of class 9C. Today I am standing in front of you to share my views for the motion. Today's education will not allow students to improve their individual skills. It means that today's education will not allow students to improve their skills.
Respected moderator, judges, and my worthy opponents, we are now discussing the topic about today's education is not allowed, does not allow the students for the skills. I am here from against the motion. is only possible. Today's education is not important, then why do you come to school?
Very beautiful question. Pardon your question, please.
Nowadays, as competition is being very tough in each and every field, so the students are being forced by their families to get a name and fame in the society. So they are not able to focus on their particular skill. So here education is not supporting the individual skill.
You want to say that today's education policy is not supporting to the all types of the different levels of the societies. Now, would you like to tell about it?
I agree with you, but not all people become lawyers, engineers, doctors. Some will make farmers because of this. We also need farmers to eat food. Take from farmers.
They can share their views on a virtual community on internet. So many social media apps are there, for example, WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, and a lot of, to name a few. Social media helps us to reduce the stigma. Stigma can be like health, race, sexuality, identity, and so on. Social media helps you to know that so many people are there in the world who are facing. That's all by my side. Thank you all.
It is increasing our ability and all, but the real thing is, it is not connecting people socially. As I want to give an example, and in ancient time, we are having like parties, occupations, something we have. Then, before that, 10 to 15 days before, people used to get.
Can see a video call to her family, talk with them with their feelings, but we all know that in modern time, all decisions we have taken, we have to send them letters or
which cause others to have unrealistic expectations of others and even oneself. In conclusion, social media makes us less sociable and more
Or the places we go. During the COVID pandemic time, social media helped people in maintaining their social life. Social media made it possible to stay connected with friends. Thank you.
Thank you. And my dear brother and sister, I welcome you all proudly. And it is a great honor for today's debate competition. I stand before here to present us in a lot of ways. It is good way to show
Children see the social media, they all try to take the phone. The eyes have damages, not of all. But the parents don't give the phone to the children, they go to pressure and loneliness.
enormous platforms where their messages reach thousands or even millions of people regularly. For example, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. People often share things with which they are struggling, and when others find it relative, they help them. Building business as a new business that wants to get the word out about your impressive offerings. You can use social media to build and
connect to their device. The media can affect one's mental state badly. Some may feel isolated and lonely because communicating for them is hard, so they do not interaction as much like others.
And antiseptic embarrassment. During the COVID pandemic time, social media was the best to help our millions of people in maintaining their social media. To tackle boredom, 35.4% of internet users use social media. What the world is talking and concerned about is seen on social media. Thank you.
but it an experience but of control to the point of really affecting someone's mental health and stability. What you can see, social media is not always respectful and of even cheap. People this respectfully for the themselves they are trying to leave it leftly, secondly, and the end of the more problems. Thank you.
My question is, In the time of pandemic, social media helps us a lot, and beyond going of so many else, me and my schoolmates also, because of the help of social media and a few apps, we had our education, online education. What would you want to say? If social media was not there, we would face a lot and uncountable problems on that. What are your views on that?
Ishita, my opponent member, you are saying it helped in pandemic. I partially agree because we all know we are not taking online classes all the day. We are opening Instagram, we are checking the photos and the videos posted by other members and all. That is your question answer.
Blackmailing is not only because of social media. If a person wants to blackmail, he or she doesn't need actually social media, okay, first of all. And as per your question, what I want to say, that's all by my point, because blackmailing is a thing which is not, means social media is not necessary for blackmailing. It a person's favor, and the point said by Janvi that the mobile time increased after COVID-19. It is a personal wish of a person if he or she wants to use mobile or not. Some people are there also who increase their study time, who increase their, walking